that happen? Dude. What? How do you even get up on that?
I think there might have been a bit of road rage and somebody's tried to overtake somebody on here.
Fucking cunt! Trying to see I just down. Fucking idiot.
Oh mate, that Dare Ice coffee is not sitting well. Bitch!
Can't do that, you stupid bitch. That's fucking jank and shit. Fucking stupid bitch.
My name is. I wouldn't have stopped dancing and carrying on when they bought the baby bed, but carried on. If they want to be inconsiderate enough to take me 4 months old, yeah, you know, I just think it's totally selfish and inconsiderate of them, quite frankly.
Have you ever been?
They're at a concert, they're going to be noisy, they're going to be bopping around, they're going to be...
you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Oh, that car's got no number plate. So I'll go around the corner and get into the right-hand lane, all right?
He's got a cracked windscreen too.
Yeah,
and I wouldn't be surprised if he's going to go through the red light.
So I'll get close to the freaking centre of the road as soon as I turn left.
Yes, yeah.
All
Okay,
right.
I'll catch up to you. That's easy.
All right, so I'll leave the phone on anyway in case I get screwed up. That way at least it's not costing you nothing, is it?
Not that
Phone
I know
call?
of. No.
Well, then we'll just leave it on this freaking better then and I can...
Here he goes. Through the red light.
Ah,
no.
On your home line, speak. Ice break. Choose your strength. Ice break.
Fucking Jesus!
Double turns. Spalding.
Your back wheel's falling off. Can't do that. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Hanging over the stop line.
Whoa. Fuck, get nailed, you stupid fuck.
Get the fuck over!
Oi, can't you see I'm in a ute? Give way, you f***ing cockhead.
As frequently as there is in those videos.
Whoa,
This
fuck off.
asshole.
What are you doing?
Jeez.
That pleasure for a little while longer. There had been a time when Nakati had been a first-rate fighting officer, seemingly destined for higher rank and greater things. In the meantime, keep him busy at the oars. Shall I spare the whip on him? Surely you jest, Dilbar. See to it.
Of high-speed plans and business-grade support, and it's all available from a range of providers.
Good. Bitch.
Bro's just chilling. What was that for?
I don't know. I wasn't speeding.
Liberty City. I'm DJ Michael Hunt. Last weekend, when we were broadcasting live from that food court at the mall, a fan said to me, Mike, why do you always use cheesy cliches? Can't you say something original for once? Hey, I'm not here to be original. I'm here to rock. Rock around the clock 24/7, dudes. Non-stop rock here on Head Radio.
The single source of gratification in your miserable, insignificant life. Head Radio.